I like doing everything twice. That's why it's taking so long to make this car.
Haven't you built this car like 7 times?
Yeah, on and off video, and then taking the thing apart again. Right, so the last time we filmed a video on the S15, we were sort of at the stage where we were just about to drop it back down on its wheels, and basically everything sort of engine-wise and underneath the car now is done. I've got a little bit more to do on the interior, which looks like a lot more to do on the interior, but I'm going to come to that because I want it on the floor before I put my seat in, because I've only got little legs. Scott's got no legs, if you have a look. So
funny.
I want to make sure it feels in sort of a right position for me when I'm sitting in it. Woo! And then, yeah, so today we're just going to put the new body kit on, because I've actually had the new kit from GT Styling, which I'm pretty happy to say that they've sponsored me with the kit, and it's sort of a plastic reinforced fiberglass kind of thing. So basically you can twist the bumpers, and when I rip a bumper off, it's not going to explode into a million pieces. So we're going to get that nailed to the car now, drop it back on its wheels, and then see what it looks like, which I'm quite excited to do, because then it'll be a car, and it'll run, and it'll drive, and we're just going to time lapse it. We've just finished putting the body kit on the car. We've sort of temporary fitted some of the bits. We put a couple of tech screws here and there, which Higgo was really proud of me for doing. But it's just temporary for now, so we can actually see what we need to do. And I need some riv nuts and some shiny bolts, because that's what I'm going to do. But yeah, pretty much really happy with how it looks. And yeah, it's back on its wheels again, which is strange. I haven't seen it for a while. Anyway, so it's going for mapping. So we're going to take it for mapping. Probably going to take the body panels back off for mapping, but you know, we just like doing these things over and over. But yeah, I'm kind of happy with it now, I think. I've only got sort of a few interior bits to do and a couple of Jubilee clips under the engine, and then we're going for mapping. So I should be able to start it. I did a really good sew then, didn't I? Should I get in it? And a windscreen. Oh, you slut. I'll tell you what, it feels low. I've got how to do this now. Do you know what the funniest thing is? Sequential gearbox. Still checking if it's in neutral going like that. Got no brake. Fuck's sake. Did a wheel spin. Yeah, now watch. Put all the body panels on. It's all a lie. It looks good though.
2 weeks later.
So, after the last video where we put all the panels on the car and we got it looking like a car again. We've taken all the panels back off again because you know I like doing that. And in between sort of fitting panels and everything, we had the package from Link with the ECU, all the sensors, basically everything to get the car running again pretty much. So in between doing sort of the wiring harness and finishing the S14 off, we've decided now to do a bit of bodywork on the 15, which I hate bodywork, but it's kind of the last piece to make it look sort of posh again. And it gives me a bit of time now as well to finish the lube and everything off there. And yeah, pretty much we've had a practice on the 14, so you'll see the colour of that in another video. We shouldn't do such a bad job. Well, I say we, it's me that paints it, doesn't it? So it's always me that makes a mess of it. So hopefully I won't make it look so bad this time. And Mike's doing the prep, which saves me doing the prep so I can do the wiring. So yeah, get this thing prepped, and then hopefully in the next few days this will be painted. So then when we do take it to the rollers and get it dynoed at the next guy, which I'll discuss that's coming soon, when it goes on the dyno it'll all look posh and it's ready to go. And then when we can roll it off the dyno and go straight down the road. It's never gonna happen though, is it? It never goes to plan. We were supposed to be on a dyno a month ago, but yeah, we are getting really close now, and sort of in between doing the 14 and this car and the wiring and everything else, it's been pretty busy. So yeah, we're just gonna finish the prep and then we can get ready for paint and then get ready to run and then get ready to put the wiring on. Yeah, the list is pretty big still. Right, so we've spent most of the day flattening and prepping the car for primer. So we're just sort of waiting now to find out when we can borrow the booth again. So yeah, as soon as we can do that, the car is ready. So we can just roll it in and then hit it with primer. So sort of in between Mike doing majority of the prep work, which he's really happy about. So he's absolutely smashed it out today. All the panels and the car and everything. So the car's just rolling the booth. Done. So we're sort of in between that. I've been doing a bit more on the loom, and the loom now is ready to go back in the car. So the next video after this one will be paint. So we'll be running around painting it. Yeah, let us know what colours you think it should go. And yeah, next one will be paint and me getting that finish. You can feel frail. It's a good finish there now. Should we just leave it like that?